name is Samuel.
Video.
Acid rain alarm sound. Toxic downpours threaten a global environmental sustainability. A growing environmental concern is making headlines worldwide as acid rain continues to pollute ecosystems and communities, sparking widespread alarm among scientists, policymakers, and the general public. With its corrosive impact on the forests, lakes, and human health, acid rain has become a pressing issue that demands immediate attention and collective action.
IC runs translator, environmental sustainability. IC run I president, environmental ensure continued supers significant change to ecosystem and human health fall without this phenomena out with pollution skew are sulfur dioxide on nitrogen of reader combined with atmosphere moisture result in algae precipitation.
Causes and effects. The primary causes of acid rain are emissions from fossil fuel combustion, industrial processes, and vehicle exhaust. These pollutants react with water, oxygen, and other chemicals in the atmosphere, forming sulfuric and nitric acid. The resulting acid rain can have devastating effects on aquatic life, forests, and soil quality. Environmental consequences. Acid rain can alter the pH level of lakes and rivers, making them uninhabitable for many aquatic species. Additionally, it can reach essential nutrients from soil, impairing forest growth and increasing the risk of wildfires. The corrosive nature of acid rain also damages infrastructure such as bridges and buildings.
Health implication. Exposure to acid rain has been linked to various human health problems. The pollutant responsible for acid rain can also contribute to respiratory issues, such as asthma and bronchitis. The accumulation of toxic substances in the food chain can have long-term consequences for human health.
Mitigation efforts to combat acid rain. Government and organizations around the world are implementing measures to reduce emissions. These efforts include switching to more environmentally friendly energy sources, increasing energy efficiency, and encouraging sustainable land use practices. Individuals can also contribute by making environmentally conscious choices, such as asking public transportation or reducing energy consumption.
A call to action. As the impacts of acid rain continue to manifest, it is essential that we take collective action to address this pressing environmental issue. By working together to reduce emissions and promote sustainability, we can mitigate the effect of acid rain and ensure a healthier, more resilient planet for future generations. Thank you.